So we're going out to geocache and to go to Target.
Woo! Are you excited?
About my beard? Yeah.
No, about Target. Between your thighs until I cannot feel my lips. Oh.
Be there when you're having low times. You help me see the world with eyes open. When you leave, I can feel them both closing.
So I wanted to turn around when we were about a quarter of a mile away from our house because I thought it would start raining. And Sky was like, no, it'll be fine. And now it's raining. Love it!
Never doubt you can roam just like Minnie Mouse. I can take you out in nature and I see you see God. Look up at the trees and I see
what's
the
going on here?
Bet your best I can see the Christ.
This looks like an old washing machine.
It
looks like it. Wait! I found a screwdriver.
When you're dancing, you don't care who's
It's like the knife in the stone. So Sky just found the cache. Just like on like part of the ground. I'm not sure. I'm a little nervous about opening it since it's pouring rain. We got our little cover. The cache is all dry, so that's good.
And friends will come and show some love to everyone. And so when someone falls down, don't you laugh at them. Then you'll always have a friend to pick you up.
Need a screwdriver.
School gets tough, but you're smarter than you think. You're braver than
Now that we've found it, it's like you can't walk past it without being like, that's fucking suspicious.
I know, right?
Boy ever tests you, don't let up.
Got it. So you edited The Wizard of Oz to fit the fact that we're going into the woods when you could have just sang the Into the Woods soundtrack? Can we talk about my shoes for a second?
They're cute.
The new trend.
You're sitting in my back seat. You're singing along the chance.
All right, here, I'll get it.
You can't even buckle your own cross seat. And I hope you never lose that grin. But I know pain helps us grow from within. I'll just lose it when you cry and I can't begin. To tell you how it makes me feel when you're sad.
I think this might be one of those right in the rain. Yeah, all weather.
Yes.
I never met a kid.
So no worries about it getting wet.
Yeah.
That's 20 feet that way, but I'm pretty sure that's it.
So it's 20 feet that way, and
We found it.
it might be that. Alright, this turned into a jog through the muddy woods. Can't see anything because of my glasses. So, that's fun. I have great news. I found the bridge. So we got a flash flood. Love that. Oh, I found it. So update, soaking wet. So we ended up at Walmart. Now I gotta put a shirt on. Or do I? It's Walmart.
I should say one.
What are we gonna get from Walmart? Like, do we want to get a, like, oh my gosh, look at those guys with the carts.
Oh, poor babies.
No, but like also, that's a lot of carts.
Yeah.
I wish I had some great advice.
You're what?
So cool. I'm about to pick up a sweater just so I can wear it around the store.
And then put it back.
Yeah. It's
Like
so
I'm not
cool.
gonna buy it.
I think it's fine.
Wait, but we have peanut butter M&Ms at home.
But we could get more.
True.
And then I can use it with
So we're looking at peanut butter M&Ms again, and
then
I
you
just
look
found
And don't let
strawberries don't have
anyone ever
nuts.
shut you up. If a boy ever tests you, don't let
Yeah,
up.
how many do you think we need?
How many you got?
So we just asked someone where the thing we're looking for is, and she gave us very specific directions, and I have no idea what. Wait, these notebooks are 25 cents. Can we buy some? We found what we were looking for, and it was not at all where the woman said it was gonna be, but it's fine. It's fine. It's an avocado.
And I hope you never lose that grin, but I know pain helps us grow from within.
Fun fact, my favorite thing in the entire world is school supplies. Can we buy like one notebook? Like just one? Just one notebook.
Yes.
Update. Getting a notebook. Should we use self-checkout even though it never works?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just saw a little girl sprint over to the lunch boxes just to feel one and then leave.
Oh my god, that sounds like me as a kid.
Honestly, pretty sure that's your
Tag
child.
yourself.
You know how gay people can't chew gum? Well, now they can. There's a gum for you. It's glitter gum. I just realized that I bought a notebook and it's pouring rain. Thanks for not making me walk through the rain with my new notebook.
You got it.
This was my breakup song with. Like after she cheated on me, I was like, take my feelings, Adele. So we ended up at the library. I have a plan. The book sale, the part of the Friends of the Library, is right inside the entrance.
Queen of everything.
A book about Shannon? That's not Shannon. Then along came a cowboy. So we came in here not needing any books, and I'm just not sure.
We're leaving with 8. Ready to run for it?
Is the car unlocked?
No, I'm gonna unlock it.
Okay.
Ready to run for
Yeah.
it?
So there's a geocache in the library parking lot, and I think it's under here. Sky had the bright idea to open it in the car, so we're back in the car.
Oh, it's a poppet.
Do you know what that is? This looks like a sperm. Comment down below if you know what this is, because my childhood. I'm gonna take on the rain.
Good luck. I'm staying here. So how was geocaching today?
I felt like I was swimming.